It's Margarita, and I am back with the most popular, well, at least in my fragrance circle, fragrance from the house of Krigler for women, lovely Patchouli 55. Here's how the box looks. Krigler is all about luxury. Okay, here's a bag from their store. Just so you can see, I'm lucky enough to have a store in my city. Oh, I love it. I love it. If you can get yourself to a store, if you're in a major city that has a luxury hotel, they should typically have it. You want to check it out. The experience is like no other. But I digress. Anywho, lovely Patchouli 55. Designed in 1955, how Krigler works is they put the year that the fragrance is released as the number on the packaging. So this was 1955. This was also Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis. Apologies for the reversal of the last names, but you know who I'm talking about. Jackie O. Okay, the fashion icon herself. This was her signature scent. Now, anything good for Miss Jackie O was good enough for me. Let me know in the comments if you agree. Now, as you can see, this bottle is empty. This is my first empty bottle from Krigler. Now, I did a fair share of wearing this, but I did even more decanting of this. Just so you know, I decant Krigler fragrances and other lovely fragrances at my website, whistlenotes.com. So if you're interested in anything, or you want to try something before getting a full bottle, or you don't want a full bottle and just want a small travel size for yourself, check out my site, whistlenotes.com. Now back to the review. Now, patchouli is a note that is so fickle, because it's a member of the mint family, but it's very earthy. It can go dirty and borderline stinky. So patchouli, the perfumer has to know what they're doing when they're handling patchouli. So let me tell you what the notes are. We have amber, musk, patchouli, red fruits, and vanilla. Although there's not a lot of notes listed, I don't believe that Krigler lists every note that's used, because I think I smell a few other things. But what stands out to me is that amber and the vanilla. This is a beautiful ambery vanilla fragrance. If you are patchouli shy, this should be okay for you. If you don't like the typical dirty, stinky smell of patchouli that patchouli has a reputation for being, this will be nice. This is a wonderful date night fragrance, I would say, for someone over 40. This is a more mature fragrance, in my opinion. But if you are a more mature person, you can pull this off. I don't recommend this for someone who is under 30, because it may come across as old lady, or you're just doing too much. It's a nice fragrance. I don't think I'll repurchase this. I actually have an interest in getting the night version. Let me know if you have both, or if you smell both, which one you prefer over the other. I didn't wear this enough myself to repurchase the bottle, but I am thinking about getting that night, because it's just got some other depth and dimension to it that this one doesn't quite have. Also, in case you have not noticed, Krigler, their pricing has gone up on almost every fragrance, but I don't think that the price has gone up on this one. All across the world, many fragrance houses, especially niche houses, have had to increase their prices due to the rising cost of materials. So if you thought Krigler was expensive before, honey, be ready to sell your firstborn for a bottle now, okay? But the quality, the in-store experience, and all of that, and the heritage of the house, and just the elegance, to me, is worth it. I am a loyal Krigler customer. Ben Krigler is doing it right. I love how he's carried on his family's traditions, and I just love the house. Let me know your favorite Krigler fragrance. Also, let me know if there's any Krigler scent you want me to do a review of. I am happy to. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.